So I just got a pair of Bose frames, and we're gonna try them out right here. I think these are the polarizing lenses for them, and this is these are the actual frames. And what Bose frames are is sunglasses and wireless audio all in one. All right, let's open them up and follow the instructions. Oh wow! Look at this case. It's pretty nice. Should be nice, right? It's $199.95. All right, let's open them up. Oh, those are pretty sweet looking, actually. Let's just pull them out of here. Now, I wear. And if it's speaking. I opened this up, and as soon as I opened it, it started speaking. So they look basically like regular sunglasses here, and even on this side a little bit, but not, well, not so much. I mean, look at the inside. Look at this. So this looks like it's for charging. It's already on. It's speaking. All right, so it says I got to download an app. That's the app. That's charging port right there, and is the proprietary charging cable. You ever lose this, you're in trouble. All right, we're going to start the process of connecting these. So we've got the app. We're going to drag this down to connect. Oh, I think that worked. Got to go to settings. Looks like we're connected. This is cute. I could let the the Bose app name my Bose frames. Right, and that's what it came up with, big, Nasio. So this is how you set volume. You press and hold on the frames and then turn your head from side to side. That should be interesting. Okay, we finished with the setup. So I'm gonna put these on. How do I look? Pretty cool, right? The side. Okay, and now I'm gonna hit my music. I love this. Immediately gonna change the app I'm just getting used to. Got it. I'm gonna connect my Apple Music. Oh, looks like I might be here. We'll play Aha. Oh, I hear it. Okay, I don't know if you can hear this, probably not. It's just, I don't have anything in my ear, but the sound is playing in my head. So this, I feel like this is maybe using like bone conduction audio. Let's see, if I take them off, it's still playing. Can you hear that? That's the sound, but it's much, so outside you won't be able to hear it, but here it's, the sound appears to be coming through here. You can kind of see there are little like speaker openings under here and here, and also here, both sides. All right, so now I'm playing music. Right now it's Madonna's I'm Addicted. I can hear it clearly, but I'm going to turn up the volume. I press and hold this button, and that did not work. Siri, where's the best burger place? That worked, by the way. The good news is that when I press the button again after using Siri, I immediately go back to the music, so I like that. But I haven't figured out, I mean, I can change the volume just by, you know, well, it gets loud. You can't hear this, can you? I'll move it close here. Here we go. Actually vibrates a little bit. So the button is obviously useful for, we know, for Siri. It's supposed to be useful for volume. I haven't figured that out yet, but I can double tap it, and then I skip a song. And if I do 1, 2, 3, I skip backwards. Wonder what happens if I go 4. Nothing. So when you take off the Bose frames and put them down, they immediately disconnect the Bluetooth and basically power down. automatically, which is kind of nice. I started when I opened them with 60% power, so I haven't even charged them up yet. Bose also sent me a nice pair of extra lenses. Oh, look. Cool, right? Okay, I swapped out to the reflective frames, which are honestly, I think, are a lot cooler. It wasn't as hard as you would think to swap them out. You just push the center of each lens that pops it out, and then you have to just do one corner at a time until you get it all popped back in. It's securely in there, but I thought it'd be a lot harder. So, also when I press that button, I get battery life, currently at 50%, and apparently we get about not quite 4 hours of battery life per charge, which is certainly not AirPod level or any earbud level, which they tend to get between 4 and some of them get as much as 7. And also you don't have this case, as nice as it is not a charging case. Really should be, right? That would be awesome if they put some charge inside the case. So there's a suggestion for your next Bose Frames, Bose. Put like 2 or 3 charges right in here. So what do I think of Bose Frames? Well, I think they look cool, right? They feel pretty good on the face too. The audio is surprisingly loud for a device like this where I'm not putting it inside my ears. And what's the benefit of that? Benefit is that I can still hear people talk. You know, I don't have anything stuck inside my ears. I'm not using, obviously, no sort of noise cancellation. And people don't know that I'm listening to music because even if it's pretty loud, other people can't hear it. I wish the battery life were longer. I wish this case had an extra charge. I'm a little nervous about this proprietary charging system because I don't ever want to lose this. I also would have to get prescription lenses, but the good news is it's pretty easy to pop the lenses right out of here, so it shouldn't be hard to get myself a pair of polarized prescription lenses and put them in, and then walk around and listen to music, and people won't even realize I'm doing it. So if you like Bose sound and you like sunglasses, you want to listen out in the summer sun, Bose Frames might be a good choice for you.